Corner second grade classroom. We've been studying all about weather. This is Annabelle to tell us about the atmosphere. Is the blanket
of air.
that surrounds the earth. Good, and that's where our weather is formed. Gavin's going to tell us about a thermometer.
It's 50 degrees Celsius and 10 and 50 degrees Fahrenheit.
50 degrees Fahrenheit and 10 degrees Celsius. Two different ones. And that's one of our tools that we can measure weather. Thank you, helpers. You guys can have a seat. Table 1, come on up. First of all, I have one of my students is going to tell us about weather words. Ava's going to tell us about those.
Foggy is very hard to see in.
Mm-hmm.
And hurricanes are not good to be in when you're outside.
Oh, that's for sure. So all these different words describe different types of weather. Yeah, that's found outside every day of the year. Angelina is going to tell us about the 4 seasons and how that weather changes. Yeah, there it is. So what are the 4 seasons? Can show us our page. There we go. There it is. Great. You can turn it towards me and I'll put it on the video. What are the 4 seasons, Angelina?
Winter,
Yep.
fall,
Yep.
summer, and spring.
Great. Thanks, Angelina. And then Connor's going to tell us about a meteorologist and what they do.
A meteorologist is somebody who studies the weather and predicts the forecast for the week.
Perfect. That's exactly right. Table 2. Can you come up and tell us a little more about lightning and thunder?
The air around lightning heats up and moves away really fast. It makes a noise. Kaboom. And that is thunder.
Excellent. Excellent, Table 2. Table 3 is going to tell us about staying safe in a lightning storm. We have lots of them in Minnesota. What should we do? What should we do to stay safe? I want at least 4 good ideas. What?
Can go away from water.
Yes.
Like in a lake.
Perfect. Good. Annabelle, what should I do? Duck under, be the smallest thing around, right? Yep. What else, Nathan?
Don't go under the tree because the minuses can get up the pluses.
That's right. Those opposite charges are attracting, and a tree is a dangerous spot. Ben, what else should I remember?
Never have metal around you.
Don't have metal. Good. And should I stay outside and play?
No.
Go inside quick. Okay, great. Next table. Nice job, you guys. We learned about different types of clouds. Table 4 is going to come up super quick and tell us about the clouds. When we are outside on family nature hikes, we will be able to identify these clouds for sure. Who's in the cloud table? Chelsea, come on up. All right, start with Carson. What cloud are you going to tell us about?
Stratus. Stratus clouds,
Straddle. Yep.
straddle the atmosphere.
Good. Carson, perfect. They straddle the atmosphere. Grace, what are you going to tell us about?
Cumulonimbus.
And how do we remember that one?
Because it's big and you can go like this. Cumulonimbus.
That's right. It's kind of big and scary. Usually has what inside of it?
Rain and thunder and lightning.
Precipitation. Eli, which cloud is your cloud?
Stratus.
Okay, and what do they do?
Stratus fills up the sky with a bunch of clouds.
Okay, they straddle the atmosphere. Yep. And Chelsea? Are you doing the cumulonimbus or the cumulus?
Cumulus.
It looks like what?
Cumulus look like a cotton ball.
Good. And then I'm going to have Carson tell us about the cirrus clouds.
Cirrus clouds are seriously wispy.
Wispy. That's right. Perfect. All right. I'm going to have my next table come up with the wind. And we're going to quickly show you the Beaufort scale. Go ahead and begin.
Smoke rises.
That's number 0. 0 is smoke rises. Good.
Smoke drips.
Izzy, come on up. Good. And it drifts to the side. Good. Number 3 on the Beaufort scale of wind is... I'm going to have... Yep, the girls can look at that, but then face back and show me. 4 is... 3 is a flag waving. Good. 4 is...
Dust and loads of paper blow about.
And leaves blow. Grace, go get the phone. Good. Thank you. 5.
5 is
Small.
trees wave.
Good. 6.
Umbrellas turn into
Uh-oh, here they go. You guys do the actions. There they go. Umbrellas, Izzy. Yay, the umbrellas turn inside out.
Difficult to walk.
Yes, that's 7. If it gets difficult to walk against the wind. 8. Okay, tell them off to call them back. 9. What is number 9? Roof damage. So make your roof. 1 shingle might fly off in the wind. Good. 10 is...
10 is trees up.
Trees are uprooted. Up and down. Good. 11.
11 is
Widespread damage
and 12
is
serious disaster.
a hurricane. So you would be able to talk about the strength of the wind using the Beaufort scale. That is perfect. I love the next group. Thank you very much. You did great. Come up and talk to me about the water cycle.
I was
Ready, set, cumulus.
Cotton ball condensation falls to the ground as precipitation. Collects in the rivers and the lakes. The sun heats it up and evaporates.
One more, into.
This cotton ball condensation falls to the ground as precipitation. Collects in the rivers and the lakes. The sun heats it up and it evaporates.
Nice job, water cycle. That was Mrs. Corner's second grade classroom telling you all about the
Weather.
weather.